Did you hear about the couple in Texas who woke up to a stranger's voice coming from their baby monitor? At first, they thought it was a glitch, maybe some weird interference. But then the voice spoke directly to them. It knew their names. It knew where they lived. It even knew the name of their dog. This wasn't just a prank. It was a cyber attack inside their own home. Someone had hacked into their Wi-Fi network, gained control of their smart devices, and was watching their every move. And that was just a few years ago. Now in 2026, cybersecurity threats have evolved far beyond simple hacks. We live in a world where AI powers everything. Our locks, our cameras, our alarms. The same technology that's supposed to protect us can also betray us. But here's the shocking part.
Hackers are no longer just breaking in. They're letting AI do the work for them.
They're using AI-powered deepfake voices to impersonate loved ones.
They're using machine learning algorithms to crack security codes in seconds.
And now, with autonomous AI drones patrolling neighborhoods, some fear we're building an all-seeing surveillance state. So let me ask you, would you trust an AI system to protect your home? Or is this the start of something far more dangerous? In today's deep dive, we're breaking down the cutting-edge cybersecurity gadgets of 2026. How they work, why they might not be as safe as we think, and what you can do to stay ahead of the hackers. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll never look at smart home security the same way again. The numbers don't lie. The global smart home security market is set to hit $78 billion by 2026, a near doubling in just a few years. AI is no longer just an upgrade, it's becoming the standard. Your front door? AI-powered facial recognition. Your security camera? Runs on machine learning, detecting unusual movement. Your home alarm? It doesn't just go off, it predicts intrusions before they happen. Imagine this. It's 3 a.m. You're sleeping peacefully. A man approaches your house, moving cautiously toward your front door. But before he can even touch the handle, your AI security system has already flagged him. Your camera notices his body language. Too tense, too deliberate. Your smart lock detects an attempted override on the system. And in under 3 seconds, your home is locked down. You don't hear a thing. You don't wake up. Because the AI has already neutralized the threat before you even knew it existed. This isn't science fiction. This is happening right now in high-end security systems worldwide. But here's where it gets terrifying. AI security is only as good as its data, and hackers know how to manipulate it. Just last year, cybersecurity researchers discovered a major vulnerability in smart locks. A group of hackers used adversarial AI attacks, essentially feeding fake data into an AI model to trick facial recognition systems into unlocking doors for them. Even worse, some AI-driven security drones have been hacked mid-flight, rerouted by attackers who use their own AI to take over the system. And if you think that's extreme, listen to this. In 2024, a team of security experts deepfaked a CEO's voice so accurately that his own company's employees wired nearly $35 million to the hackers, thinking they were following real instructions. Now imagine that kind of AI deception happening inside your home. Imagine receiving a call from your mom at 2 a.m. She's crying. She says she's in danger. She begs you to disable your security system so she can come inside. And in your half-asleep state, you do it, only to realize too late that it wasn't her voice at all. This is where AI security gets terrifying. The same technology designed to protect us can be used against us. So how do we fight back? How do we build security systems that can't be fooled, hacked, or manipulated? Some companies think the answer lies in behavioral AI. Instead of just scanning faces, new security cameras will track micro-expressions, heart rate fluctuations, and even breathing patterns to determine if someone is truly who they claim to be. Others believe in quantum encryption, using the power of quantum mechanics to create security codes so unbreakable that even a supercomputer couldn't crack them.
And then there's the AI firewall revolution. Systems that can predict cyber attacks before they happen, blocking them at lightning speed.
The biggest players in tech are racing to develop the next generation of AI security. Google's DeepMind is working on AI-driven cybersecurity defenses that adapt to hacking attempts in real time. Tesla's AI research team is exploring autonomous drone surveillance that can outmaneuver even the most advanced cyber threats. And DARPA, the Pentagon's research wing, has already begun testing AI-powered lie detectors that scan for deception at the molecular level. But let's not ignore the elephant in the room. With all this AI-powered security, how much of our privacy are we giving up? Because while AI can protect your home, it can also watch your every move. A leaked report in 2025 revealed that some of the most advanced AI security systems were secretly recording conversations, even when they were turned off. In China, AI-powered street cameras are being used for facial tracking, monitoring citizens' movements in real time. And right now, in major cities worldwide, AI-driven surveillance drones are patrolling neighborhoods, tracking every vehicle, every person, every interaction. So here's the big question. Will AI security protect us, or turn our homes into prisons of surveillance? Because at the end of the day, the most advanced lock in the world means nothing if the wrong people hold the keys. Let's talk. Would you trust an AI-powered security system? Or is this technology moving too fast, too dangerously? Drop your thoughts in the comments.
And if you found this deep dive eye-opening, don't forget to like and share this video, because the more people know, the safer we all are.
And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, because what's coming next in the world of AI is even crazier than this. Stay safe, stay smart, and I'll see you next time.